Hi, I'm David Henneman. I'm the R3 coordinator for the Virginia Department of Wildlife Resources. It's springtime in Virginia, which means spring gobbler season for us. We were able to get out this morning. We had some great luck, an awesome hunt. We're just gonna do a quick video on how to clean and prepare your turkey. We're gonna need some very simple tools to do this. It's not hard at all to clean a turkey. We're gonna need a knife, some gloves if you've got them, plastic bags for the meat, and a trash bag for the carcass. So we're gonna get the trophy parts of the bird off first. The things that people keep as a trophy or a keepsake are typically the beard, the spurs, and the tail fan. So we'll start with the beard. We're just gonna come around and get as close to the skin as we can. And cut it off. And we'll set that off to the side. Next, we'll go to the legs and we're gonna make two different cuts. So find the joint. We're gonna cut along the front of the leg. Then we're gonna come around to the back of the leg. And cut that tendon loose. Same thing with the other leg. The front cut right on the front of the knee joint. The back cut. And then cut it loose. So we'll get the tail fan next. And you can feel on the bird that there's a knot where all of the fan feathers connect into the muscle. And then once you look, you can actually see that there's an oil gland where the turkey will peck and then oil its feathers. So they'll use their beak, they'll reach back, get oil on their beak, and then oil their feathers with that. So we're gonna come right behind it. Find where the feathers are thin and it connects to the body, and just make a cut. And then it just comes off completely. So you can use a clothes hanger with safety pins to pin it upside down, or like one of the clothes hangers that pants come on will do the same thing. Before we do that, we'll trim as much meat as possible off of this, and then you can use salt or borax to dry it out, and they'll usually dry out in about a month. So once we got all of our trophy pieces, of course we're gonna take some feathers too because they're just really, really pretty. We're gonna look down and we're gonna find the center of the breastbone. Once we've found that, we're just gonna make one cut right down the center of the breastbone. All the way to the end. And that's all you really need to cut when it comes to the skin. We don't wanna pick a bunch of feathers because you'll just end up getting the feathers all over the meat. Get some slack between the skin and the breast, and we're just gonna peel back. So once we've got all this peeled back, we'll dislocate the hips, and then we're gonna get the breast halves off. So we're gonna bring our knife, just insert it right down the side of the breastbone, follow it back, come up around the knot, and then you're just gonna skin it off of the rib cage. any of that fat right there to come with it. And then there's our first breast half. To get the opposite side, we're going to do the exact same thing. So we're just going to come in next to the breastbone, cut down, go up, cut it loose from the breastbone, and then skin it off with a rib cage. So when this bird got shot this morning, there was a couple pellets that got into the body. So before we prepare this, or when you're preparing it before you cook it, make sure you go through and get all those pellets out, whether it's lead or TSS. That's the last thing you would want in your teeth, is a shotgun pellet. Just get all of that off of there. That's our second breast half. So next, we're going to get the legs and the thighs. So I'll just go to the inside. I'll find a thin spot in the skin, make your first cut, and then just skin back. Skin on the legs is a little tougher, but you still don't want to pull a bunch of feathers just because they'll get all over the meat. So once you have the whole leg and thigh exposed, you're just going to go in with your knife. You can see the hip joint right there. Just like you are cleaning a chicken, you're going to separate the thigh from the rest of the carcass. And then that'll just pull loose. And you've got your thigh and your drumstick. We'll go get the other side. So same thing. We're going to find the thin part of the skin where there's as few feathers as possible. Make a cut and then peel back. Again, once we've got all that skin out of the way, just find the hip joint with your knife, cut down through it. separate it from the body. There's your second drumstick and thigh. Some people eat some of the organs, so if you're gonna go for like the heart, liver, gizzard, you can just open it up from the back right there. There's your gizzard. Just cut that loose. He's eating some clover or something. That's exactly what that was. And then your liver and the heart would be up above the lungs if you wanted to go in there and get that. That's how we field dress a turkey. We've got everything that we're gonna need. We'll go back, fix this thing up. We're gonna dispose of the carcass appropriately. If you like this and wanna see more content, make sure you like and subscribe.